How to search for makeup products on Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at different makeup products in this website. First of all, enter the website name sephora.com. Now, this page will open. Here, I'm in my home page. So here on the top, you can see a search bar. Here, you can directly search for different beauty products. Over here on the bottom, you'll be able to see different categorization of beauty tools and different makeup items. So here, you can swipe right until you find the one that you're looking out. So here, I'm tapping on brushes and combo. So this will open this category, and here you'll be able to find different products. Now you can shop it easily and able to find different makeup and brushes. So you can add them on your cart and you're all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.